How to send GIFs on Instagram. So go open your Instagram application and take note that this feature may or may not be available for all of the users as this thing is still new. But the way it generally works is you go to a post where you want to add your comment, type in the comment, and beside the post button should be the GIF icon. It is similar to the GIF icon available on the story reply. As you can see here, there is the text field, send message, and beside is the GIF icon. If you tap on it, it is in collaboration with Giphy, so you can just search the keywords and choose among the GIFs available. It is still not available to me, but that GIF icon should be in this comment section. The only thing you can do to make sure you get this feature as soon as possible is to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. So check it on your app store, search Instagram, and if you have the open button, this means you have the latest version already. If it says update, then go update it. And if you want to bypass it, you can just use a VPN to connect to Instagram using maybe a German network or American just to see if it works in another country. So that is how you send GIFs on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.